Hello viewers, welcome back. Same question, different method, episode 11, the second part of episode 10. We are finding the coordinate of the point that divide the line segment in the ratio 3:2, both internally and externally. We don't want to use the formula we derived in episode number 9. We want to use just a common ratio. So if I have internal division, let me just pick the line segment. I have A, what is it? Minus 4 and 3. B, what is it? 6 minus 12. The point is P, X, Y. So this is 3 and this is 2. I don't want to use the formula. So I'll be using the ratio of the X values. They divided equals to the ratio of the division. So from here, I'll be saying that the X values will be minus 4 minus the middle X value will be X divided by the ratio of the X division, which will be X minus 6. That should be the same as the ratio 3/2 without using the formula. We want to find the X coordinate. Don't forget, we can cross multiply to have 2 times minus 4 minus X equals to 3 times X minus what? 6. We can expand from here, right? So 2 times minus 4 minus 8. 2 times X, 2X. 3 times X, 3X. 3 times 6, 18. We can group items, right? Let's put all the X together. What do? Let's send the 2 to the other side, bring the 18 here. So minus 8, we are adding 18 to both sides, so plus 18 equals to 3X. Then we add 2X to both sides. We have plus what? 2X. What will happen here? Minus 8 plus 18 will give you positive 10. Equals to 2x plus 3x give us 5x divided by 5 x will be giving us what? 2. You remember from that episode the x coordinate was 2 for the internal division. Then let's come for the y also, meaning 3 minus y divided by y minus 12 become positive, right? Negative, positive. That will be equals to 3 out of 4, 2. Can I manage the space here? Let's try. So let's cross multiply. 2 will be multiplying that, so 2 into bracket 3 minus y equals to 3y plus what? 12. So now we can expand. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times y, 2y. So the negative will come. 3 times y, 3y. 3 times 12, 36. Can we group items? These guys will go here. These guys will come. So 6 is positive. Positive 36 become what? Negative 36 equals to, I'll be having 3y already at the right plus 2y. If you have 6 and you subtract 36, you get a negative 30. 5y plus 2y, 3y plus 2y give us what? 5y. We can divide by 5 by 5. Y will be equals to minus 6. Therefore, the coordinate of P will just be 2 and minus 6. Remember, in episode 10, the coordinate we got using the formula, we arrive at the same answer, 2 minus 6. Good. Let's check that for the external division. So for the external division, the diagram will still be like this. From the episode 10, this is how we have it. The line segment AB has been extended to P. So we have from A to 3, then 2 out there. Now, the same concept, finding the coordinate on the x-axis, subtract the x values together. Alright, so what did we do? From the same value, I have minus 4 minus 6, which is the x coordinate. Then I am picking 6 minus x, with the next coordinate here. That should be equals to, from here to here. Don't forget we are subtracting corresponding length. From here to here will be 1. So that will be 1 divided by, from here to here will also be 2. So the difference between this and the internal is that we have to restructure the ratio. This is 1:2. Total 3:2. Since we are not subtracting A and P and B and P, it is A, B, B, P. So the distance here divided by the distance here, that accounted for 1:2. Alright. Cross multiply, right? So 2 will take care of minus 4 minus 6, all of them. Then equals to 1 will take care of 6 minus, okay, let me introduce that. Alright. For the sake of explanation, okay? So now we can expand. 2 times minus 4 minus 8. 2 times minus 6 minus 12 equals to 1 times 6 will be 6. 1 times x will remain x. What do? We can find the value here as negative 8 plus negative 12. That will be negative 20. So, isn't it? Equals to 6 minus x. So what will I do? I am going to bring in the x to come here to become positive. So positive x equals to, the negative will be there. Then this will come here as positive. We are only transposing the position. The negative x become positive. We maintain the 6. The negative 20 become positive. So hence, your x will be equals to 20. The x value we got in episode 10 was 20. Let's go for the y value without wasting time. 3 minus 12. That will give you positive 12 in the case there. Then this minus this. Therefore, we begin from here minus that. So minus 12 minus y. Y values. We deal with the x values first. Now we are picking y values. Y, 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 y. Should be the same as the internal division 1 out of 2. I guess we can cross multiply, right? So 2 will multiply 3 plus 12 should be equals to 1 times this will give you minus 12 minus y. 1 times any number remain the same. So let's see. This will be 6. If you multiply 2 by 12, you get 24, right? Negative 12 minus y. Can I manage the space? Okay, we can. What do we do? We can find the value of this. And that will give us, would that be 30? Okay. 30 equals to minus 12 minus y. So if that's the case, let's bring the y here to become positive y. We maintain the negative 12 there. So negative 12, positive 30 is coming over to become negative 30. So y will be negative 42. So px will be, the point on the x-axis will be 20. Or I think 20 plus 6 will be 26. So we have 26 and negative 42. So the point we are looking for, the external division, will be 20 minus 20, minus 42. Don't forget episode 10. This was the answer we had using the formula we derived in episode 10. Check them out from the beginning to be on the same page with us as we go along. I guess the concept is clear. Good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.